Welcome to the Texas Unclaimed Property Reporting Instructions. Do you have funds owed to someone else? Are you unable to reach them? Have you ever wondered what to do? As a business owner in Texas, you play a crucial role in reporting unclaimed property. This video will guide you through the process. What is unclaimed property? Unclaimed property is any financial asset abandoned by the owner for periods ranging from 1 to 15 years. Those assets are called property. After they reach their abandonment period, you are required to report them to the Texas Comptroller of Public Accounts as unclaimed property. Businesses in possession of unclaimed property are called holders. Bank accounts, payroll checks, cashier's checks, money orders, utility deposits, gift cards, and safe deposit box contents are typical examples of unclaimed property. Businesses cannot consider property abandoned if there is recorded contact with the owner, either by mail, email, or phone, if there is owner-generated deposits, withdrawals, or transfers on an account, or if an owner has other active accounts with the holder. Businesses are required to file a report on or before July 1st of every year for property presumed abandoned. The type of property determines the length of the abandonment period. How do you determine the abandonment period? Start with the last date of documented communication with the owner, the date a check was issued, or the date funds became payable, whichever is latest. Choose the abandonment period based on the type of property. Most properties have a 3-year abandonment period, while payroll checks and utility deposits have a 1-year abandonment period. To verify the type of property and its respective abandonment period, please use the Reporting Instructions Guide available for download at ClaimItTexas.gov. Submitting an unclaimed property report is easy. There are 5 steps. The first is determining dormancy. The second is notifying the property owner. The third is preparing a report. Fourth is submitting your report and payment. And the 5th step is archiving reported data. Now let's dive into each step in more detail. The first step of reporting is a crucial one, determining dormancy. A dormancy period is the amount of time without owner-initiated contact or activity. For example, if a former employee has never cashed his check and you have not had contact with him for the last year, the property is considered abandoned and should be reported to the state of Texas as unclaimed property. The second step is to notify the property owner of each dormant account. Businesses must mail or email a due diligence notice 60 days before the due date to all owners of unclaimed property valued at more than $250 and that are due to appear in an annual report. The third step is to prepare your report. It must be in the electronic reporting format developed by NAPA. The vast majority of commercially available reporting software generates files in this format. For reports with 30 properties or less, the manual online reporting system is available at ClaimItTexas.gov and is free to use. Here are a few tips to remember while preparing your report. First, your choice of property codes is crucial because it determines the abandonment period. Second, select property codes specific to your institution. And third, include all available information for the owner of the funds, even if the information is partial. The fourth step is to submit your report and payment. Businesses must submit all unclaimed property reports electronically on our website, ClaimItTexas.gov. From the home page, click Reporting Property, and then Submitting a Report. Choose Upload a Report if you used commercial software to prepare your report. Choose Enter a Manual Report if you're using our manual online reporting tool. After submitting your report, you will see the Holder Summary confirmation page. Within 24 to 48 hours, you will receive a confirmation email with payment instructions. Next, it's time to make a payment. Payments are due July 1st. We accept payment electronically or by check. Submit only one payment per report. To submit an electronic payment, use the Texas Comptroller's electronic payment system, TextNet. If you're submitting a payment by check, the envelope must be postmarked on or before July 1st. The 5th and final step is archiving the information included in your report. After reporting unclaimed property, the Property Code Chapter 74, Section 103 requires that holders retain unclaimed property records for 10 years. You may need to reference this data if our office contacts you for additional owner information necessary to fulfill a claim or as part of an audit of your unclaimed property records. With this knowledge, you're ready to submit your report and payment and archive the data. Still have questions about reporting unclaimed property in Texas? Call us at 512-936-6246, option 2, or email us at up.holder@cpa.texas.gov. We are always happy to answer your questions. Thank you for watching the Texas Unclaimed Property video on submitting an unclaimed property report.